Hello students. ইতিমধ্যে আমি লাষ্ট ভিডিওত দ্য লাষ্ট লেসন চ্যাপ্টাৰ 2 প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়াৰ শৰ্ট কুৱেশ্যন এনসাৰবোৰ আলোচনা কৰিছিলোঁ। আজি আমি দ্য লাষ্ট লেসন চ্যাপ্টাৰ 2 লং কুৱেশ্যন এনসাৰবোৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে অকণো দেৰি নকৰাকৈ আহা আমি ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ। Question number 1. What was the order from Berlin? How did that order affect the people of Alsace, particularly M. Hamel and his students? A question to students 2012 আহিছিল. So answer, the order from Berlin had come that the French language would no longer be taught to the people of Alsace and Lorraine. The German teacher was supposed to come the next day to teach German. The people of Alsace were thunderstruck by the order. They started realizing that they had not learned enough French. M. Hamel blamed the people for always keeping their things till next day. He even blamed himself for giving the students a holiday whenever he wanted to go fishing. He wanted to give all his knowledge to his pupils all at one stroke. When he was imparting his last lesson, the students also paid attention, as if they really wanted to take what M. Hamel was giving. Elderly people of the village also came to the school to pay their homage to the language which was no longer theirs. So answer ekhini asil. Question number 2. Describe the unusual things that Franz noticed on the day of the last lesson. A question to students 2013 and 17 আহিছিল. Answer. Franz noticed many unusual things on the day of the last lesson. First, he noticed that the school was as quiet as on a Sunday. The sounds of opening and closing of the desk, lessons read in unison, and the rapping of the teacher's great ruler were not heard. When Franz entered the classroom, the teacher did not scold him although he was late. He saw that the class was maintaining complete silence. M. Hamel had come in his best dress, which he used to wear in inspections, and prized this. Moreover, the back benches of the classroom were occupied by the elderly people of the village. They all looked very sad. Now, question number 3. Give a detailed account of the scene in the classroom on the day of the last lesson. Students, a question to 2015 আহিছিল আৰু এই কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ এনচাৰ তোমালোকে এইমাত্ৰ যি কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2 এনচাৰটো কৈ গৈছোঁ তাৰ পৰা চাই লিখিবা, সেম এনচাৰ হ'ব, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, এতিয়া আগবাঢ়োঁ আমি নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যনলৈ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 4. Draw a character sketch of M. Hamel as it is shown in the last lesson. A question to student 2016 and 2020 আহিছিল. Answer. M. Hamel is one of the most important character of the story The Last Lesson. The author Alphonse Daudet presents his character in a beautiful way. M. Hamel was a strict teacher. He was a true Frenchman. Teaching at Alsace for 40 years, he had become a part of his people. He was an honest teacher. He did not blame his students alone for poor learning. He also blamed himself for same. He was very patriotic as he appealed to his countrymen to hold fast to their mother tongue to be free from the Prussians. According to him, the French language was the most beautiful, clearest, and the most logical language in the world. He appealed to his countrymen to guard it and never forget it. He was emotionally attached to the school and all his students. However, he was very brave and strong. He was really sorry for not making sincere efforts to teach French to his countrymen. So, students, আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিবলগীয়া কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰবোৰ ইমানখিনি আছিল। লগ পাম নেক্সট এটা ভিডিঅ'ত। তেতিয়ালৈকে বাই, টেক কেয়াৰ।